So let me share a yoga principle that I practice to become a strong fighter. So I am Nilis Guerra, and everyone recognizes me as the ultimate fighter in every sport, may it be combat or gentle sport. So one yoga principle that I adhere to is to develop my sense for strength and weakness. So the wrong thing that you are doing with your body is to drag yourself with strength. And because you are dragging yourself with strength, you actually lost your sense for weakness. So weakness develops your sensory perception, and that is important to judge the power between the fighters, you and your opponent. So if you don't embrace the negative effects of sickness, fevers, the ailments of your body, and just continue to numb your feelings with enhancing drugs instead of becoming stronger, you're becoming more risk to losing in an actual fight. So your own strength deceives you into losing. So that's my wisdom to share for now, guys.